Today, I'm going to teach you how to lock a Zoom meeting. This is incredibly useful when you want to ensure no additional participants can join once everyone is present, providing extra security and privacy for your discussion. First, open your Zoom app and sign in with your credentials. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Zoom profiles. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Zoom home screen where you can see all your meeting options. Next, join a meeting. You'll be directed to the meeting interface where you can see yourself and other participants. This is where all the meeting controls are located, and it's important to familiarize yourself with the toolbar at the bottom of your screen. Now, look at the bottom toolbar and click on the Participants button. This will open a side panel showing everyone currently in the meeting. The Participants panel is your central hub for managing who's in your meeting and what permissions they have. In the bottom right of that Participants panel, you'll see three dotted lines. Click on those dots to reveal a menu with various options. From this menu, select Host Tools for Participants. This section gives you access to all the controls you need to manage participant behavior and meeting security. After accessing the host tools, click the back button to return to the main Participants panel. Now you need to navigate to the Lock Meeting option. You should see this toggle clearly labeled. Go ahead and toggle it on. Once you do this, the meeting becomes locked, meaning no new participants can join even if they have the meeting ID and password. Anyone trying to enter will see a message indicating the meeting has been locked by the host. And there you have it. Your Zoom meeting is now secure and locked from any additional participants. This simple feature gives you complete control over who attends your meetings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.